Hey, what's up, Harmony one holder? This time brother, Harmony is completely falls down, and previous, especially last 3 days, my friend, the coin is completely dumps down. But what we will need to do, my friend, absolutely you will be get a profit if you follow my instruction. Absolutely, I will give you guarantee you will be get a profit now. So minus 1.49% the price will fails down, and absolutely you can see here the price, the highest price 0.12 USD dollar, and the current price is 0.09. So it's a very huge difference now. Just in only in a very short time the price is very badly falls down. So therefore, my brother, I am 100% sure to after this fail, absolutely they will take a very huge jump now, because after a fail every coin will take a very huge jump now. So therefore I know to upcoming time this coin will also take a very huge jump now. But if you, my friends, starting selling, so there is a chance to they will fails down and they cannot give you a profit. So kindly holders, don't do any mistake to be safe from the loss. And my brother, especially this is for long-term investor, please invest for 5 year. I will give you guarantee to they will make you a millionaire now after a 5 year now, because this coin will take a time, but I hope they cannot fail us down. So thanks for watching, holder. Please like video and subscribe this channel.